All right, another Walgreens Topps 2020 Baseball Series 2 hanger pack with the yellow border exclusive cards inside. Let's go ahead and see if we can get a Luis Robert yellow parallel. We shall see. Wouldn't that be something if you pulled like a rainbow foil and yellow insert all at once? So Franklin Barreto on the back, Ricky Henderson turkey red on the back. All right, let's go. Let's just grab this part of the stack first, flip through it pretty quick. Inserts on these are now on the back is what I've noticed. Barreto, Jimenez, Ross, Mal, Faruqi, Trevino, Marvel, Diaz, Dugar, Nunez, Zimmerman, Stewart, Kemp, Escobar, Bogarts, Rodriguez, Castanheira, Mancini, Seager, Guzman, Plezak, Mike Leake. So I ended up getting some duplicates from the other hanger packs. So Herrera, Rosario, Eovaldi, Donaldson, Philly Special, roll out the barrel, Burke, Keener Falefa, Dickerson, Dugar, Leba, Breed, Rodriguez, Sano, Perez, Kana, Ravello, Victor Carantini. There's the rookie Sean Yamaguchi. So I'm not sure if we're going to get a Robert rookie in here. Cal Cantrell, Corey Dickerson. All right, latter part of the pack with the good stuff. Scott Oberg, Tapia, Gonzalez, Colton Wong, Kim, Lopez, Allard, Frazier, McCann, and now we go into the inserts. Yep. Okay, there's a Topps Chrome insert. Edmund, gold card, Michael Brantley, Sean Newcomb, Danny Jensen, Ryan Barucki, Kevin Herrera. So I'm not even sure if we're going to get a rookie card in here. Jake Bowers, Tyler Mouse. So no rookie card on the yellows. Tim Anderson, Brooklyn Dodgers. There's the Edmund. So there's your two. Topps Chrome and regular turkey. Johnson, the big unit. Benintendi, Henderson with Oakland. There you have it. Another hanger box in the record books.